How to invite friends to play Fire Kirin. Playing Fire Kirin is fun, but you know what's better? Playing the friends and showing off your big catches. Let's see how can you invite your buddies to join in. On the home screen, look for the menu or profile icon. In most version of the game, you will find invite friends or a copy link button. Tap on copy and you will see unique invite link or referral code. This is your golden ticket. Share the link or code directly with your friends. You can send it through WhatsApp, Messenger, SMS, and even post in your social medias. Once your friends download Fire Kirin using your link and sign up, you both can enjoy rewards. In some cases, you even get bonus points or credits when your friends start playing. And here is the pro tip: invite friends who love arcade style games, and that's with just a few taps. Your friends can join the Fire Kirin adventure and make your game night even more exciting. If this tutorial helped you bring your crew into Fire Kirin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your squad. And catch you in the next one.